Firstly, I want to welcome a new member to YouTube members. Anthony, thank you very much for joining us. It's great of you to be there and support this channel. Cheers, mate. Hopefully you'll get some really good videos in the future. Now, I would like to talk about this beer. This beer I made as a all-grain experiment, I suppose you would put it that way. Grabbed a heap of grains together, kind of educatedly made it work, and cooked it, baked it, fermented it, transferred it, and put it in my fridge. Now, it had fermented out and it worked really well. I don't know what the grade was because I kind of lost the interest. I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. I put it in the fridge and kind of sat it there and just left it. 2 months now, 3 months now, and I looked at the keg and I went, what's this? Why have I got this in here? So I had to look around, and it ended up being that all-grain beer live stream I did. I'll leave a link up here that supports that. So it tells you what I put in there, and I put it in my keg and I'm gassing it up at the moment, but I really wanted to try it. So today, this is what you've seen, is me pouring this beauty into the glass. It has a small amount of carbonation. The smell is meant to be fruity. There is a bit of an off flavour smell to that. I think it's from my lines, to be honest. I didn't clean that tap out before I poured it, but I did rinse it through a couple of times. But it's really, really, really cold, and it's fresh smelling in other ways anyway. Fruity, very fruity, very salty. It's got a salty taste. I must have put too many salts in it to counteract the... Oh, I did, that's right, I was missing a couple of salts, so I added different salts to make it less acidy or more acidic. But nonetheless, it still tastes alright. It's got a very fruity, biscuity flavour, a sharp tang on the tongue. I'm getting not much citrus. I'm getting more peach, apple. I'm getting apple. Now, apparently apple's not good. If I got apple, there's a reason for that. That's what's in it. It tastes like apple. Probably should stop drinking this because I'm not sure what apple is. I'm going to find out. I'll be back. Okay, so I did some research, and I've never had this flavour in my beer before, and I just wanted to find out what it was. Acetaldehyde. It's a product produced by yeast, or weak yeast, not finishing properly, not producing the right alcohol enzymes that it makes, and the acetaldehyde, something like that, is a off apple flavour with a tarty flavour, which is what I'm getting from this beer. I'm not going to drink it, of course. I'm going to get rid of it. It's a dud. The beer is a dud. It's gone to crap, and I'm going to have to get rid of it. It's gone. I'm sorry to say. First, or probably second dump ever. It's a bad beer. And I found out that you can't drink it. If you drink it, you can cause, or you can, if you drink it often or drink it continuously, it can be a carcinogenic product, which means it can cause cancer and quite harm you in the long term. So that's going to have to go in the bin. Oh, pity, because it would have been a nice flavour otherwise. I might try and figure out what that recipe was. Try it again, but I'll try and ferment it with a better yeast. I think I just used the yeast that was in the fridge that I had left over, and I don't think it was correct or very good. But anyway, we learn from these. This is why we do brewing. It does smell a little bit off. I will be disposing of that and just doing away with it. I'm sorry for you brewers out there. I don't take chances. If I've got something that doesn't taste right, it's out. It was quite salty. It did have that off apple flavour, like green apple flavour, and it did have that tarty taste that they describe as being that product. So I am out with that one. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Pity this one didn't come out well. So thank you to my patrons for looking after the channel. Thank you to my YouTube members for looking after this channel. And as I mentioned, I've got a new one, or new two, in the last month or so. That's awesome. Thanks guys for your support. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bugger. Smells like poo bum.